The next motion or movement we're going to do is getting the scapula moving around before we move into the forearm, into the hand. Often scapula is limited in its movement. If we help it with a gentle motion, it makes the world of a difference. So it is stretching, but at the same time it's not, it's more a prep towards stretch. So pay attention to my hand positioning. So my left hand is grabbing Mika's right wrist, and I'm going to move it between my thoracic cage and my arm. My right arm is going to elevate the scapula, and I'm going to slide this hand until the tip of my fingers feel the trapezius. And then this hand is going to mirror my underneath hand, and I'm going to gently move the scapula. So I'm trying to depress, retract. So my left hand and my right hand work together very gently to get some mobility into the area. And once you're finished, you're going to position the scapula in depression and retraction to create a chest opening. And from there, I'm going to position the arm in lateral rotation and relaxing in this position. Wow, what a difference. Now we balance the body.